Good morning, lovely jubbly peeps of YouTube. Welcome back to my channel and to today's vlog, which is my going to the hairdresser to get a new do vlog. I will be filming, as discussed in my previous video, I will be vlogging the before and the after. So when Damien takes my hair down, I will get the camera on it, so that you will be able to see what it looks like before and after. Now these clips will be disjointed, so they will be clipped together, like a movie basically, because I don't have proper camera. I do have my iPhone, and I do have I can't remember what it's called. It's not iMovie, I think it's called, on the phone for editing. So I will just there'll be a series of clips, they'll be edited together. So you'll get an idea of the before, the during and the after, and you'll get to meet Damien. He's very nice, and he's as mad as a box of frogs. Right lads, so I'm gonna go for now. I have to pack up my mini Lady Dior and get my shit together and get on the road. And I am dressed in old clothes, in case anybody's wondering. Just jeans, boots and an oldish blouse, just in case the colour spills. Makeup wise, I'm wearing the Nudista skin tint from L'Oreal with a little bit of Bobbi Brown bronzer, well, a lot of Bobbi Brown bronzer, and my eyebrows are Tanya Burr's eyebrow pencil. And just in case you're wondering why my face, which does look a little bit darker than the rest of me, that is because I have put a layer of fake tan on when I get out of the shower, and it hasn't come up. When it does come up, it'll be about this colour here. I'll match. Okay lads, that's it for now. I will be back at 11:15 or thereabouts to introduce you all to Damien and Ray and give you a tour of my local hair salon. See you soon. Bye. Do you think this is enough? Well, it's not foil. I don't know what these things are called, lads, but whatever they're called, you reckon there's enough of it in? There's a few there now. I'll film this now when it's cooked. 20 minutes, and then whatever happens after that happens. Have a look and see. I quite like this now, and the idea of this now. I have no idea what I'm going to look like when he's finished. Has anybody noticed that my eyebrows are looking particularly thick today? There's a method to this madness. If anybody wants to see how I actually get my eyebrows to look like a pair of bushes, message below. While you're on my channel, hit the subscribe button, because the more the merrier, and click the notification bell next to it, so that if I get a bright idea, you'll be the first ones in line to hear about it. So do hit that. And while you're there, do me a favour. Really helps my channel if you just hit the thumbs up. If you like this content, please do hit the thumbs up. Okay, if you like. Okay, have a good one. I'll talk to you later when this is finished and cut and styled, and give you an old shock. So, talk to you in a while. Good day, YouTube people. I'm back again. Now, this is the intermediate situation here. The highlights are done, and we've got toner on. So we're working with what's there. What's there now I have is a kind of a strawberry. It was strawberry-ish. So we're working with the strawberry. I'm going to be cringe. I want to be Bosco. Cringe. I want to be bothering on me now. Still waiting on my fake tan to come up, lads. Shocking. I must have done it airspace or something. Because I honestly thought my neck would have come up more or less. Although it's not as disjointed as it was this morning. So maybe it has started to come up. But this Saint-Tropez shit, lads, I'm not sure about this. Because I'm looking at the bottle, right? And I'll tell you how much of it's gone now. We'd say it's my coffee cup. That much already. And it's only had 3 uses. I'm sorry, for 40 something euros, you get, I might get a month. I might get 2 months out of it. And that's only using it maybe twice a week. And that's only putting some on twice a week. And then exfoliating in between. So I honestly don't think it's 42 euros is a good price for this. So what I'm actually going to do is I'll see how this lifts up. But you know what I'm like. I'm a fucking skinflint. I don't like, even though I got it at half price, I'm not sure it was worth the money, lads. Seriously. Anyway, we will getting back to the hill. Yeah, I'm actually dying to see what this looks like. I am going to get a bit chopped off it now, but I'm not going to go like crazy, lads. So I'm not going to be going around looking like Jean-Luc Picard. Just letting you all know that. If you are looking for Jean-Luc Picard, you may go talk to CBS and watch the TV show. She ain't getting it here. So I'll be back as soon as she's styled up and I'm looking, ooh la, hooflun dung, did she catch it? Sexy mama, ching, 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 ching. And while I'm here, I'll show you around this gaff, right? It's fucking lovely. Right, just give me 1 second here, lads. I'll turn this camera around and show you around. Here's a grand tour of the salon, starting with the outside view, which you can't really see too much through the window, but it's there anyway. And if you look in the corner over here, they have a print of a Leonardo da Vinci photograph, a picture of the Mona Lisa. Love that. Nice touch. It's a very elegant little salon. I like the wallpaper they have on the wall. It's kind of like a fake brick effect, but it's very, very effective. Mirrors are great as well. I'd say they cost a bloody fortune. And they're actually quite flattering when you look in them. Except here, oh, holy Jesus, look at the state of me with the toner still on the hair. Holy Jesus. Now, I just decided to go up and take a look at some products. So I started at the top and worked my way down. So this is the L'Oreal, and I was really eyeballing a treatment that's sitting there on the shelf that I like the look of, specifically for dry hair. And I plucked it out of the shelf just to have a closer look at it. Did consider buying it, but didn't in the end. And then I spotted the Finola. Now, Finola is well known for its yellow shampoo, and its which is no more yellow and no more orange shampoos, which are, I have to be honest, excellent if you've got brassy blonde. And this is a treatment they're doing for reconstruction of the hair. I might consider trying that. I was eyeballing the Kitoko. I've used that before. Wasn't a lover of it. It wasn't, in my opinion, it wasn't to my taste. It didn't work for me. And then I'm just sort of meandering down with the camera so that I can give you a view of another treatment they have there by Finola, which is for coloured hair. But if it was me buying, I'd go for the reconstructive one. This is IQ, which I've never heard of. It's a brand I've never heard of, and I've just plucked up a bottle to have a look at it. And then I'm just panning across the till area and the wooden floors and just giving you kind of a browse of the place. It is a lovely salon. Grand tour. So I hope you all enjoyed that now. I'll be back again with the styled finished product in a few minutes. Right, I'm about to have a cup of tea. Might even put a bit of whiskey in it. So I'll talk to you later, lads. There's my honey. He has me gorgeous.
Oh, you're a fine thing.
I'm a fine thing. Do you hear that now, my fine thing? There you go now. It's
showing off the new hair.
I have to show off the new hair to you guys now. I'm going to show you the back. Just give me 1 second. Turn around.
Oh, but too quick.
Have a lovely weekend, alright?
Susan, yeah. Thank you.
See you.
See you, Jacinta.
Okay, guys, I'm now in Mimi's. I'm having a cup of coffee and a spot of lunch. I will insert a picture here round about now. My hair's done. I am delighted with it. It's kind of a strawberry blonde all over, and then you've got the balayage lighter blonde going through the ends of it. And I had quite a chunk cut off. It was, you know what? It needed it because it was as dry as a fucking bone. And you know, in fairness to him, you've seen Damien earlier on. He's a little dote. He is a dote. He's an absolute dote. He's a lovely guy and he's very good at what he does. Now, for anybody that wants to know, I will link the hair factory. That's where I get it done. It's in Prosperous. Kate and Will were here the other day. Straight across from it, actually. But however, and the boys were out to see it. However, I digress. I will link the hair factory's Facebook page down below for you. It's well worth checking out the Facebook page. I mean, just look at some of his work. Now, I will take pictures of this and I will send them to Damien and a link for the video that I'm going to post so that he can put it up on his Facebook page. He's very good at what he does. He's an excellent, and he's a lovely guy as well. He's a really lovely guy. They're all lovely down there, to be honest with you. And you know what? I know I feel like I'm bald, but I know I'm not. It's just it was down here. It's now up here. But you know what? It was like straw. So it was, you know, either peel it off the pot, you know. Either I got a cut or it was in very bad nick, and now it's not. It'll have a chance to recover back to its normal state. Yum, 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 yum. Having lunch, lads. So that is my vlog finished for today. This is the after. And I hope you all like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell, which is beside the subscribe button. And give me a thumbs up, all right? Thanks a million, lads. Take care now. Bye-bye.